to make a beautiful rose like this. Take an A4 sheet of any color you want. Grab it from one end and fold it all the way to make a square. Cut the remaining part, we will need this later. Now you will obtain a square. Cut 4 equal parts of it. Keep 3 parts aside and take one part and fold it in the way as shown in the video. Now this is the important part. Hold the paper as shown in the video and make sure that the third point lies at the right side. Mark 2 points of 4.5 cm each on both the sides, left and right, and mark a point between them of length 5 cm. Now you have to join all the points. You can take any round object you have. For example, I am taking glass here, something like this, and then this. You will obtain a curve. Now cut it with a pair of scissors. Now finally you will obtain a flower shape. Repeat the same with all the rest of the parts, but this time you have to not measure again and again. Just make 3 of them and grab the first part and keep it on the second part as shown in the video and trace a path out of it. Repeat this with all the parts. Now take the first flower and cut 1 unit out of it as shown in the video. Save the petal as it will be used further and fold it somewhat like this such that the flower points inwards. After you are done, grab some glue and paste the both endings together as shown in the video. You will obtain a funnel like shape. Now grab a pair of scissors and stretch the ending of the petals as shown in the video to give it a nice shape. Our base part is ready. Now repeat the same with all other pieces. In the second case, we are gonna cut 2 elements and make the shape out of it by joining the endings together. And next time cut 3 elements and finally cut 4 elements. After the 4 elements, you will have to work with remaining pieces to join 3 elements, 2 elements, and finally 1 element all around. Now cut the base of the 7 elements layer just a little. Grab some glue and apply it to the 6 element layer and drop it in the 7 element layer. Make sure that the sides are opposite to maintain a visual accuracy and symmetry. After that, apply glue to 5 elements part and drop it under 6 elements part. Repeat this up to 4 elements part. Now firstly we have to drop the 1 element part into the 2 element parts. After that we have to drop that both combined 1 and 2 element part into the 3 element part. After that we must drop them into the main base. A beautiful rose just like the beautiful eyes watching this video is ready. Now to make the base, grab the rest of the paper which we took in the initial part of the video and start rolling it from the corner as shown in the video. Roll it all the way along, apply some glue to it and stick it. Now cut some part of it and divide the top of the pole into 4 equal parts as shown in the video. Separate them away and make them flat. Now apply some glue or you can even apply tape to it. Fit the flower into the pole and there you go. A beautiful rose for a beautiful person is ready. Subscribe the channel for more such awesome content. Comment rose if you were succeeded in making a rose successfully. Thank you for watching.